Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a simple Lazy Susan. Now there's lots of different ways to do this and lots of different ways to use this, but for now we're just going to be using a little bit of glue, any type that you prefer, like Gorilla Glue. Take some surface protectors if you'd like. I want them because I'll be putting this on the floor or on a countertop somewhere. And then I have the Lazy Susan, which I picked up at Lowe's for about $6 for this particular size. You'll also want something round, and you want to center it to find out where your center is, so that way when you go to line up your Lazy Susan, you have it right in the center, so when it spins, it's got a nice circular spin and not wobbly. You know, you get that little wonky look to it. Anyways, so you can screw these in if you have like a thicker piece of wood, but because this one is so thin, I'm just going to be using glue. Also, I think it's quicker and, you know, less painful because I don't have to use tools. Now, this Gorilla Glue sticks to just about everything, but it also swells to about 3 times the size. So you'll see me smoothing it out, and then even then, after I'll go back and check in about 30-40 minutes, some of it will start to leak and ooze out. So if you're going to be using this on a project where you're going to want to see the surface or the front face of something and you want it to be like very nice aesthetically looking, you're not going to want to use this Gorilla Glue in case it were to like seep out. But for something like this where it's going underneath and nobody's ever going to see it, it's perfect. So I just glued it on, put it there in the center, lined it up with my lines that I created, and I'm putting my surface protectors on. Then I'm going to use a heavy object and place it on top to allow this to dry overnight probably, or just for a couple hours, and then it is ready to go. It's as simple as that. Now there are various ways that you can use these Lazy Susans. A couple of options or ways that you can use them are, for instance, you can use it just like this as a tray. You can put it on top of some sort of a pedestal or stand to make it up higher. You can use it to put like fruits and use it as like a food platter. You can make it into some sort of a spice rack and build up layers or tiers to put into a cabinet. You could even put a shelf on it and put shoes on it to make it a spinning shoe rack. So no matter what you decide to do with your Lazy Susan, I hope that it comes out wonderful and you found some sort of helpful advice from this video. If you do decide to make a Lazy Susan of your own, I hope you tag me at Cora's Creative Corner on Facebook or Instagram, because I absolutely love seeing you guys' DIYs and crafty photos as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!